Good evening, all. Back on the workbench. My words. I thought to myself, did I measure it correctly? Did I measure it to 94 or 95? Is one leg, because I don't know, for some reason I went to measure it 94 when I did it. So I'm just going to measure it. No, that is spot on. 95 centimetres. So that is correct. Correct on Monday. So no worries there then. Right. That was my original wedge that I did the test fit with. I've marked the thickest side of it. So I'm going to measure how thick that is with a set of work zone calipers that I got from Audi, which are these bad boys. So give them a go. They work quite well, to be fair. Yeah, so they're on. Where's that thick edge gone? Thickest part. I'm gonna put it. Don't know if anybody can see that, but that says 13.5. I'm gonna make it 14 mil when I do it. I'm gonna write on it as well. 14 mil. Oh. I'm using that as well. It's the scribe pen I put up the other day. Not pen, sorry, pencil. Works really well. But yeah, written on it, 14 mil. So when I go to cut it in a minute, I'm going to know what size to cut it, because I'm terrible at remembering measurements. Right. Let me scrap a bit of wood. I'm going to cut both ends so they're square on the miter saw, and then measure 14 mil block and then cut it on the miter saw. But yesterday I called it a circular saw. But yeah, this is what I was talking about yesterday with I used these orange corner bits which are at 90, but I didn't clamp each corner and then fix it together. I just took one off and went to the next corner and used it, so that's probably why it all went out of whack. There we go. That is that end squared away. I want to make sure that looks alright against that fence. There you go. That's all sorted. Remember, to do this all cack-handed, but it's the best I can do. Mark it. I'm just going to cut it. I'm not going to use a square, draw a straight line, use a laser off the motor, and that'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Just, well, is that gonna fall? Should fall. Just a bit too much. No. Let's just give it a go anyway. There you go. One block. I'll get me sandpaper out, tidy it up a bit. There you go. Tidied up. Looks better. It's a bit of, I don't know if you can see that, bit of tear out on the edge, but that's fine. I'm not going for perfection. It's my first workbench, so give it a go.